and welcome to this week's Montgomery Weekly News. I am Mrs. B from kindergarten, and I hope everyone had an outstanding weekend. Did you know that March is Women's History Month? I'm going to challenge you Eagles this week to find one of the many powerful women in history and research some of the steps that that person took to achieve that goal. Now over to Mr. Keemer with this week's weekly announcements.
Hey, thanks, Mrs. B. I appreciate it. Now, we have 3 announcements this week, Eagles. The first one is that on Wednesday, March 10th, we're going to be having a school site council meeting at 1:30. Now, the school site council is kind of a backbone of the Montgomery school, and they make lots of decisions, and they're open to the public. So if you're interested in seeing the inner workings of the decision-making process at our school, I encourage you to attend. Now, the second announcement is that we are going to be having a book pickup distribution for all students on Thursday and Friday. Every single student is eligible to come pick up a bag of books so that you can continue reading at home. We're super excited for you to get your hands on them. Now, the last announcement is just for our 6th graders who are 12 years or older. Miss Liliana and Outside the Lens are hosting a workshop for stop motion animation. I think it sounds really cool. I wish that I could do it, but I'm not 12 to 17. So, there's going to be a link in the description for you to sign up to do that. It's a free event and it's going to be a lot of fun. That's all that we have for this week's announcements. Let's head on over to find out what this Friday's Spirit Day is.
You have brains in your head and feet in your shoes. You can steer anywhere you choose. Good morning, Montgomery Eagles. This is Mrs. Cruz, and I'm here to announce this Friday's Spirit Day. This Friday, our theme is Oh, the Places You'll Go by Dr. Seuss. There are 2 ways to participate. One way is to wear your favorite college gear. This is UCSB. This is my alma mater. A second way to participate is for you to dress up in your future career. In the future, what do you plan to be?
In the future, I plan to be a clothes designer.
In the future, I plan to be a doctor.
In the future, I plan to be a soccer player.
You're off to great places. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way.
Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Inventive Studio. Today's inventive exercise is I Spy Games. Finding hidden objects in a picture is a super fun and playful way to build your memory and learning skills without even trying. I Spy Games can help people to develop their working memory. When we have a good working memory, it helps us perform and learn new tasks. You see, memory is kind of like a muscle. We need to exercise it regularly through repetition and practice to keep it strong. In addition, when we are trying to find a hidden object in a picture, we are improving our visual discrimination. Visual discrimination is the ability to recognize details in a picture, and I bet you didn't know that this is a fundamental reading skill. Check out these I Spy games. Can you help these characters find the items in the speech bubble? Invite your friends and family to play. You can say and write the name of the objects to practice your vocabulary as well. I hope you like this inventive studio. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Good morning, Montgomery Eagles. This is Mr. Quesada with this week's Shoutouts. From Dr. Burgos to Ms. Ramos' 2nd grade class, for showing consistent growth in iReady and SmartyAns. Keep up the great work, 2nd graders. From Dr. Burgos to Ms. Heidi, Ms. Aurora, Ms. Anna, Mr. Adrian, Mrs. K, and Mrs. Monica. Your support to the student community is to be admired and celebrated. Thank you for all you do. From Santiago Luna to his 4th grade class, for being a great class. From Mrs. Gallagher to John Salazar, Itzel Sarabia, and Esmeralda Villanueva, for helping others when we're working on our 11th math. Thank you for being patient when helping your peers solve the division problems. From Anya Yim to Mr. Goldenberg. The reason why he earns this shout out is because he's the best 6th grade teacher I could ever have. And he always helps me and my classmates if we need help or if we have a question. From Daisy Estrada to Santiago Estrada, you work hard and complete all your work. You also participate during class multiple times. Keep up the good work. From Dana Garcia to Jada Brinkley, thank you for being a good friend. From Giselle Peñalosa to Mr. Quesada. Mr. Quesada tries his best to teach us when he's having internet problems. He makes it work. He's a great teacher. From Gerardo Martinez to Prince Robles, he has helped me in many PowerPoints. One about Legos, one about air taxes, and right now he's helping me and Salvador Bautista in a PowerPoint about the Sioux tribe. Thank you. From Mrs. Gallagher to Brian Viramontes for making 1,000% improvement in attendance and effort. I am so proud of you and how far you come this year.
Thank you, Montgomery Eagles. We love your shout outs, so please keep them coming in. As a reminder, club signups are still open this week, so if you haven't signed up for a club yet and want to do so, you still can. And this Friday's Spirit Day is Oh the Places You Will Go. So you may wear something to do with the career that you are picking or the college you would like to attend to get there. We hope you have a fantastic week. Bye-bye, Eagles.